What is up, YouTube? I guess where we were going. It's Wednesday. I don't know if I know how to get there from here, to be honest. So I'm gonna have to take the long way. But look what I got, guys. Woo-hoo! Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. The new Alpine SMX2, I think. They just came in. Hyped about that, actually, so I'm wearing them because I want to try them on. I'm hyped about these, yo. And I wanted to put them on now because, you know, boots feel weird as shit, bro. I've never ridden with boots before, and I need to. It's a lot more protection from my foot and my ankle and everything, so. Yes, sir. I don't know what he said. That's the dude I just met at the gym. He's about to get a 400 actually, though, bro. I don't know what he said. That's funny. But yeah, I'm gonna be riding with him soon too, once he gets his new bike, so I'm hyped about that, guys. Dude's cool as shit. And oh, bro, these, I gotta tuck these. I noticed when I wear a jacket, these little the strings flap around and hit the helmet, and you can hear it in the video, so I gotta tuck them in or something, bro. Fuck, I don't have time. Sorry if you guys hear a little bit of clicking. It's probably the strings on my jacket, but just ignore it. Ooh, this quick shifter sounds amazing, yo. If you don't have a quick shifter, get one. You're not gonna regret it. Woohoo! I just got done with the gym and I destroyed my freaking my legs, bro. I hate leg day, bro. Hey, before I get into the video, I want to say thanks for all the support. I appreciate it. Seriously, yeah. I appreciate the support so far, guys. I set my goal for the end of this year, because I didn't think I was going to get here quick. It was to hit 10K by the end of the year. So today, alright, this is crazy, guys. So, me and my buddy were wrapping up with work, right? Yeah. So wrapping up with work. We're like, we have to do a lot of maintenance houses tomorrow for work. So we're like, let's just fill up the truck now so we have it out of the way in the morning. So we go to fill it up, right, get that out of the way. We're sitting at an intersection, bro. And, you know, me and my buddy, we're always looking for birds and shit, you know, per the usual. And there are these two girls in a pink Jeep. And they're pretty nice, I'm not gonna cap, bro. So my buddy puts his window down. Okay, hold on to that foul. There's a straightaway coming up and I kind of want to rip it. Alright, let me get back over. So, where were we again? So yeah, we were pulling up to the intersection, right? Jeep, like I said, was smoking babes in it, bro. My buddy puts his window down. I'm looking in the back window, like I'm like turning my head and shit, because obviously I want to check him out. If he's putting the windows down, like damn, they're fine. And I kid you not, bro. Like a couple seconds later, boom, boom, just holy shit, big ass collision, bro. These two other girls in a Honda Civic, I guess, just boom, right into the Jeep, bro. The Jeep looked like it was fine, bro. I'm not even kidding you. It looked perfectly fine. I thought these girls were dead, bro. I'm like, holy shit, bro. Me and my buddy trying to get these numbers and shit, and boom, just bam, dude. I haven't seen something like that, bro. That shit was scary, bro. I was like, damn, bro, that's just crazy. I'll pop a video up. No way, bruh. No way, bruh. No fucking way. I took a little video in the car, but that shit was crazy, bro. And it was 4 girls, bro. I put it on my story, in my Snapchat, and everyone was sliding up like, these damn girls, bro. It's always the girls. I was like, oh god. But yeah, bro, that was scary, man. I haven't seen something like that. I've never seen something like that. Ooh, I smell some good kush. But yeah, the girl gets out of her car. The one that hit her, she looked like she was really young, 16, probably, because she was like, oh my, she's like, I just got my license too. I'm like, oh, no way, bro. Because we were right next to him, me and my buddy, so I heard everything. The girl from the Jeep gets out. What the fuck? What are you doing? I'm like, oh my god, this is juicy, bro. I need some popcorn. And then the girl's like, someone was merging into my lane. I'm like, if someone's merging in your lane, why don't you just slow down, bro, or something, bro? Not if I can speed up and just boom. Just boom, my god. Damn, bro. But yeah, so like I said, the Jeep was fine. The Honda Civic, the whole rim fell off. The tire was flat. I said, yeah, your insurance is gonna go through the roof, bruh. Have fun with that. No thanks, bro. No thanks. But yeah, bro, that at least they're all good though. You know, that's just the main thing, that they're all good. Cause that shit was scary, bro. Like that was boom, like big ass boom, bro. Not a little boom. Like big ass boom, bro. I said, holy shit, that was scary. That was scary, bro. Shit, but anyways, other than that, my day was pretty good, bro. Hope you guys are doing well today. And I need gas, per the usual. Per the usual, bruh. Per the usual, bruh. Shit, but yeah. So that's pretty much that, bro. That's pretty much sums up my day.